Manchester is a vibrant and historically rich city in northwestern England, serving as the nucleus of the largest metropolitan area in the north, Greater Manchester. Renowned globally as the world's first industrial city, Manchester's legacy from the Industrial Revolution is profoundly etched into its architecture, culture, and identity. Today, it stands as a dynamic hub for business, education, music, sports, and media, having undergone significant regeneration and a cultural renaissance in recent decades. The history of Manchester dates back to around 79 AD, with the establishment of a Roman fort called Mamucium or Mancunium on a sandstone bluff near the confluence of the rivers Medlock and Irwell. The Industrial Revolution dramatically reshaped Manchester. Its advantageous location, with abundant coal reserves and access to waterways, made it an ideal center for textile manufacturing, particularly cotton. The rapid growth of cotton mills, factories, and associated industries led to unprecedented urbanization. This period of immense wealth creation left a lasting architectural legacy, with the city center becoming an outdoor museum of diverse styles, from Greek classical to early steel-framed structures. Key developments during this era include the opening of the Manchester Ship Canal in 1894, which linked the city to the Irish Sea 36 miles to the west, transforming it into the port of Manchester and allowing ocean-going vessels to reach the city directly. However, the rapid industrialization also brought significant social challenges, including overcrowding, pollution, and harsh working conditions, which inspired various social and political movements, including the suffragette movement and early trade unionism. This regeneration has transformed Manchester into a vibrant, modern European city. Areas like Spinningfields have emerged as major financial and commercial districts, while the northern quarter has become a hub for independent shops, cafes, bars, and creative industries. Manchester boasts a rich and diverse cultural scene that rivals any major city. Music. The city has a legendary musical heritage, often cited as a birthplace of significant musical movements. It has produced iconic bands like The Smiths, Oasis, Joy Division, New Order, and the Stone Roses, profoundly influencing indie, alternative, and electronic music globally. Live music venues abound, from intimate clubs to major arenas like the Co-op Live Arena. Arts and museums. Manchester is home to world-class cultural institutions. The Manchester Art Gallery houses a vast collection of fine art, including works by pre-Raphaelite artists. Other notable venues include the Lowry at Salford Quays, showcasing performing arts, and the Royal Exchange Theatre, a unique theatre in the round located within the magnificent former Cotton Exchange building. Libraries and learning. The magnificent John Rylands Research Institute and Library and the Manchester Central Library are architectural gems and important cultural assets. The University of Manchester, formed from the merger of the Victoria University of Manchester and UMIST, is one of the largest single-site universities in the UK and a global leader in research. Manchester is synonymous with football, being home to two of the world's most famous football clubs. Manchester United, one of the most successful football clubs in history, with a massive global fanbase, based at Old Trafford in the borough of Trafford. Manchester City. The club has experienced a remarkable resurgence in the 21st century, achieving unprecedented domestic and European success since its acquisition by the Abu Dhabi United Group. Their home ground is the Etihad Stadium. The rivalry between these two clubs, the Manchester Derby, is one of the fiercest and most watched fixtures in global football. Beyond football, Manchester also has strong traditions in rugby, cricket, and hosted the highly successful 2002 Commonwealth Games, which further accelerated urban renewal. Manchester is a diverse and multicultural city. Its historical role as a global trading hub attracted immigrants from various parts of the world, contributing to its rich tapestry of cultures, languages, and cuisines. The city continues to be a magnet for young professionals and students, fostering a vibrant and dynamic atmosphere. Manchester is a key economic engine for the north of England. While its industrial roots are historical, it has diversified into sectors such as finance, media, technology, education, and tourism. Politically, Manchester is governed by Manchester City Council, and as part of Greater Manchester, it is also influenced by the Greater Manchester Combined Authority, led by the Mayor of Greater Manchester, which has increasing devolved powers. In summary, Manchester is a city that embodies resilience, innovation, and continuous evolution. From its humble Roman beginnings to its revolutionary role in the industrial age, and its modern transformation into a global city of culture, commerce, and creativity, Manchester stands as a testament to its enduring spirit and its ability to reinvent itself while honoring its profound past.